What is DegreeWorks? DegreeWorks is a web-based planning and audit tool for students and academic advisors to track degree or certificate progress and completion. DegreeWorks may be accessed under the student profile on the My SCF page. In addition to tracking real-time degree information, DegreeWorks also has additional features. This includes the What If tool, the Planner, and GPA calculator. The What If tool allows you to look your academic progress toward alternative degree or certificate programs. The Planner tool allows you to work with an academic advisor to plan which courses you'll be taking each semester. And lastly, the GPA calculator allows you to get GPA advice as well as calculate term GPA and overall GPA. If you have any questions regarding which classes you should be taking at SCF, please contact Academic Advising. If you have technical questions regarding DegreeWorks, please email degreeworks@scf.edu. For more information regarding DegreeWorks, visit scf.edu/degreeworks. On this page, you'll see a series of scheduled trainings, live webinars that are available for you to join, as well as a bunch of videos and PDFs that you can access for additional training. Thank you.